What's up, YouTube? I'm about to overhaul these NMD R2s. I've had them for about 6 months, and as you can see, they're pretty dirty. The boost bottoms can't be cleaned, so I gotta overhaul them. And the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the laces. Now that I have the laces removed, I'm just gonna hit it with some soap and water, just regular dial soap, and my toothbrush. Brush into the nooks and crannies to get any excess dirt or mud that may be dried up in there before I go to the next step. Alright, the sneaker guys may frown upon this, but I need to throw these NMDs in the wash because they kind of smell just from getting wet in the raining. That's all. I don't have stinky feet, but I'm just gonna put it on regular, hot, small, put regular Tide in there and let it fill up. Now that the washing machine's all filled up, I'm gonna submerge the sneakers in to make sure they get nice and saturated. You know, they do float, so just want to make sure they get in there. And then let the machine do its job. While the washing machine is going, I'm just gonna take my laces and wash them by hand with soap and water. You know, just regular dial soap. And then once that's all done, just gonna lay them to dry in the dish rack. Alright, the washing machine's all done. So I'm just gonna take them out and put them in the dryer. Now my dryer has a removable rack, so I'm just gonna use that and throw in a fabric softener. Put it to normal and let them dry. Now that the dryer's done, just gonna take these out and gonna have to just prepare the sides with a cleaner, and then we'll move on to the real overhaul part. In order to do the final stages of cleaning, I'm just going to use some cotton balls and some nail polish remover and just dab a little bit on to a cotton ball and gently brush away any remaining residue that could be on the boost before I get ready for paint. So now I'm all ready for paint. I'm going to use a medium point oil-based black Sharpie to do most of the work, and then I'm going to also use a fine point oil-based black Sharpie to do the details in the nooks and crannies and get real close to the line without, you know, messing up the red portion. Alright, so here's the finished product. You just gotta take your time and be patient. Make sure you pay attention to the little details and have some good lighting. I hope you liked the video and learned something new. This is definitely a great way to save some money instead of having to buy a new pair.